let's take a look at this. Is a follow-up video. So we just did a video on this breakout trade as it was happening. So go back and play the previous video on our momentum, our zone breakout momentum indicator. So when we were breaking, when I was doing the last video, we were just breaking out of this level right here. Just breaking out. If you go back and look at the video that we're playing live, we're seeing a breakouts coming on the S&P. This is our break level of 48.17 on the S&P. So please go back and play that video and you'll understand how this strategy works. So what the strategy does is it allows you to get involved into the market where there's possible wrongly positioned traders being caught. And I'll make this video very short. Wrongly positioned traders are typically counter trend traders. They have all these different software programs that tell them, well, the market can't go any higher. There's no way it can go any higher. Let's just keep shorting against the trend. Well, this software program does not do that. This software program will prey on counter trend traders. It will prey on stops. So we know above this ledge here that we know that there's going to be order flow there, and we should see buy stops start hitting from shorts. So this big run in the market has been nothing but buy stops just hitting because the market has to find value now again. It broke out a high value area. The market has to find value. So it's trying to work its way up on my market profile target I told you guys earlier. It's trying to work its way up to that target. My point is this. Play the last video and you understand one thing. What we're trying to do is we're trying to buy strong markets and we're trying to short weak markets. We're trying to buy strong market breakouts and we're trying to short weak markets. If you look on the video when this first started breaking out, we went into a strong market here. This oscillator got above at 9 o'clock, got in a strong market. We're looking for the breakout. I put this line in for the breakout. There's your breakout level. So you can use it as an indicator for a breakout. Once it breaks through that swing high where the ATR zone dot's printed, there's your breakout level to go long. The strategy went long, and like I said, you don't have to do, I have 6 targets built into the strategy. You can do 1 target, 2 target, 3 target, what have you. The strategy is very simple, not hard. Understand, it's got your trend already built into it. There's your uni trend. It's got your targets 1 through 6. It's got the time window you want to trade. Your stop ticks. I'm trading off a 120.20 on the S&P. And then it's got your hard stop. All right, so that's a follow-up video right there, guys. I'll send this chart out to you with this so you understand it. This exact same way it caught the 20-point potential yesterday in the S&P drop that it had a 7-minute heads up. The whole premise of this strategy is trying to get long or short with the momentum of the market and overall trend of the market. Trying to prey on counter trend traders that keep shorting these highs when we know, as I showed you on market profile today, there was our first target and there's our second target. We're trying to get up to 36.5, and 36.5 is my high value area. I like to use a 2 to 3 day window on previous market profiles. I called it yesterday on that big 20-point S&P point drop. I called the swing low within 1 point. And that's based upon, not my opinion, where these market profile levels were, where they're at. So today's target, we're trying to get up to 36.25 on this breakout. That's what we're trying to gravitate to on this market profile for a target. And I'm only 6 points away, and we broke out here at 17. 17 to 36. We're trying to get up to my profile target now. We're 3 points away on leading up to my profile target. Now we're only, 2 points away from our profile target on the breakout that happened here.